In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows Security Service Can't Be Started error on your Windows 11 computer. If you are getting this error message, the first thing you need to do is open your Start menu and search for Registry Editor. Then click on the Registry Editor app. From here, expand HKey_local machine. Then expand System. After that, expand the Current Control Set folder, and then open the Services folder. Now scroll down until you find a service called WSC SVC. It should be near the bottom of the list. Once you find the WSC SVC folder, click on it. You do not need to expand it. On the right side, look for the file called Start. Right-click on it and select Modify. Make sure the value data is set to 2. Then click OK. Once you have done that, restart your computer. After your PC restarts, open the Start menu again and search for Services. Open the Services window. From here, scroll down until you find a service called Security Center. Double-click on it. Make sure the startup type is set to Automatic Delayed Start. If the service status says Stopped, click the Start button to run the service. Then click Apply and OK. Once you have completed these steps, the error message should be fixed. If it is still not working, open the Start menu again and search for Security and Maintenance. Open that window and then click on the Recovery option. Now select Open System Restore. Click Next and choose a restore point from a date when you were not getting this error. Usually you can select the top option in the list. Then click Next and press Finish. This will restore your computer back to an earlier time, which can help fix the problem. And that's another way to solve this error. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.